welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrin. आज के वीडियो में I will be sharing a review of another Face Shop product. A few days back I uploaded a review of a Face Shop serum and उस वीडियो में मुझे काफ़ी सारे comments मिले stating that if you have any other Face Shop products please do a review. And I checked out my stash and I found out this. Now this is a makeup remover and when I searched on YouTube इसके भी कुछ खास reviews नहीं थे, so I thought क्यों ना इसका review डाल ही दिया जाए YouTube में. So if you guys would be interested, please keep on watching. I am reviewing the Face Shop All Clear One Shot Cleansing Oil. This is how the packaging is. Now this one retails for rupees 1,830. I know it's super expensive and you get 250 ml of product. Now this is how the packaging looks. It is a clear bottle, plastic bottle, and you get a pump packaging as such. It also comes with a stopper. Now I have thrown away the stopper because I use it on a daily basis, and you just have to pump it, lather it all over your face and use it. First I would like to see what all it contains. Now it contains hyaluronic acid and it also contains micellar water. Now these are two of the most primary ingredients present out of all. Because of the low molecular hyaluronic acid and presence of micellar water, now this has a very non-sticky, fresh kind of finish. It doesn't make your skin greasy or oily. Now it says that it will remove all sorts of heavy, waterproof, transfer-proof, stubborn makeup such as your stubborn, waterproof mascaras, which are very difficult to remove. And it also says that it is suitable for almost all skin types. It removes heavy makeup in one step, and it claims that if you use this, there is no need to use a face wash, just a rinse off is enough. But if you ask me personally, I will always recommend all of you to wash your face using a face wash after you use any sort of oil-based or any sort of makeup remover. However good a cleanser or a remover is, there is always some particle which remains stuck on our face, and it's always better to double cleanse. Now, being from an oily skin type family, I was really scared that what if I start using an oil as my makeup remover, what will happen to my skin? To my surprise, I did not get a single acne from this. I did not get any breakout, any pimple, nothing. My skin was as normal as it could have been. Once I started using this makeup remover, the little bit of breakouts that I used to get also started fading away. I think that is because the previous makeup removers what I was using was not really helping me to cleanse properly. Maybe some part of the makeup was still remaining on my face. That's why I was getting the breakout, but once I started using this, even those teeny ones started fading away. Now this one has no particular smell when you are using it. It's very mild. It just doesn't have any smell, to be honest. Now I will show you guys how you can use it. So that is how you're supposed to use this, and you could see that yes, it does remove any sort of heavy transfer proof makeup that is there sitting on your face. I know what you guys are wondering, that this is so expensive, how can we buy this? Let me tell you guys a backstory. I am using this since August 2019 and just look at the amount I have finished. I have just managed to finish like 40% of the total product. And I will be honest, I use this every single day. Like just skipping the 2 months of lockdown that I was sitting in my home. The other days I go out every day because I have to go to my office or some work, this, that. So every day I am using at least an eyeliner and a lipstick. I don't use base makeup, but I do always have eyeliner and lipstick and sometimes a mascara as well. And if I have special events, then I might put up a compact. So in whatever scenario, every day I am using 1 to 2 pumps of this cleansing oil, and in a span of like almost 10 months, I have just just barely managed to finish 40% of the total product. So you guys can imagine how much more time this is going to last me. So if you think for the longer run, I will suggest that you guys do invest in a good quality makeup remover as such. When you're just buying, it might put a hole in your pocket, but think of it, even if you are like a heavy makeup user on a daily basis, I can vouch this is going to last you for a minimum of 10 months. I'm like sure. For a person like me who uses a kajal and a lipstick, I think for me it is going to last more than 2.5 years. You can see, you can just look at the bottle and tell how long this is going to last me. Now I know the budget may sound heavy to most of the people, even for me, but I always calculate how much time I can use this product, and I obviously put this fact at the top ki how much it is going to affect my skin. Is it working for my skin? Is this a good quality product or not? Now when it comes to quality, there is no compromise when it comes to Face Shop. Like, this is like one of the best makeup removers out there. It does what it claims. And to be very honest, when I see that a product is working so well and a product is lasting me for so long, I think 1800 rupees for almost 800 days is quite justified if you calculate per day cost. Whereas if you buy a micellar water from known brands such as Maybelline, Pond's or Garnier, which have like an average price of 250, just count how many bottles you are buying a year. So I think you get the math. Nonetheless, you do what suits you. I really like this product, and this is like a good one, like a real good one. One more thing is, if you go and check on Nykaa, the Face Shop really does not have such great discounts or anything ever in their brand. The only kind of discounts you get is buy 2 get 2 sheet mask, like those kind of offers, or buy for ₹999 and you will get this kit free, like the sample kit. That is the only kind of discount Face Shop ever comes with, and if you are very lucky, then they might have these 5 or 10% discounts, that too not every time. But yeah, I will suggest that you buy from Nykaa only, not from Flipkart or Amazon or any other sites, because you might get a duplicate product. So that was all about the Face Shop cleansing oil. I am definitely going to recommend all of you to buy this in case you are looking for a good quality, long lasting makeup remover. The price is totally justified, like you guys can trust me. If there is any Face Shop product that you want me to review, please comment down below. I will surely try. And if you have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. It would really mean the world to me. If you like watching me and my content, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. And are you guys following me on my social media, especially Instagram? In case you are not, please go and follow me on Insta. My handle is @mysticalimren. I'm super active on Insta, and there are many specific content which just go up on my Insta. They are not on YouTube. So if you don't want to miss on them, you should surely check me out on Insta. The handle is @mysticalimren. I'll be seeing you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.